Hey Team Chine, here's a quick video about how you sign up for the Hour of Code. The website up here is studio.corecode.org and teacher sign up is here. This just gives you a little look at the different modules that you can sign your class up for. I would recommend starting in this area. I signed my class up for this Course 2. Starts off quite easy and gets a little harder, and it gives you the age group down here. At the same time, your class can start in one little course and jump into the other ones pretty easily as well. This making a Flappy Bird game is kind of cool too. So there's lots of, although you might want to start off, sign them up for one course, they can jump around into different courses, or you can assign different courses as well. So let's start off by teacher sign up. This is where you're going to write your name, your school email, blah, 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 etc., and away you go. I'm going to now sign into my account, and let me show you what it looks like from my teacher's point of view. Okay, so I'm now inside, and I'm going to go to the teacher homepage. These are from my classes at my last school, but here's what Portable 4 looks like. So here's an idea of the 20-hour course, and it shows you that some of my students have done lots of work, some of them have jumped around to the end, and some have done very little work. So I'm not really making it mandatory, I'm just having it there as an option for kids. But definitely you can take a look at the different progress. View the stats is kind of good because it shows you how many lines of code they've done. Yanni's done over 1,000. So you sort by lines of code. If you want to get a little bit of a leaderboard going, you can take a look and say, oh look, Yanni's done this, etc., etc. If you want to add a new section, or you'll be adding a section for the first time, you add a new section, give it a name. I'm going to call mine test. Now, what kind of password do you want? You can do a word password, it'll do it. There's kind of a cute kind of a series of pictures they use for password. That's the one I use, although yeah, especially if you're a teacher of a grade less than mine, picture password's kind of fun. Put in the grade, and then pick the course that you want. Some kind of 20-hour course, which is a whole bunch of activities. Again, they're not locked into it, but you can take a look around and find one that you think would be good. Let's say I wanted the 20-hour course, and I can say save. It looks kind of like this. So there's the name of Bob. There is the his password picture, and when they log in, this is the URL they have to use. This code right here tells them the actual code for your specific class, and that's about it. So let's check that out. I'll copy that up here. So all your kids' names would be here. Let's just click on Bob. He was the witch. Go to the bottom, not up here. Go to the bottom and say sign in, and away we go. So this is the different courses. This is all the different activities. These unplugged activities are actually paper activities. I usually try to skip them and just go through these different activities. Let's start off with the maze. Again, this is the very beginning, so it's going to be really nice and easy. There's really awesome videos at the beginning.
I was in 8th grade when I learned.
And I would recommend that you let one person log in and show what it's like at the very beginning and watch this video. It's kind of interesting because it always has influential people talking about what it was like growing up. So here we are. Very simply, we need to get the Angry Bird from here to here. And when they run, it's going to move forward. So let's just push and move forward. But not enough. We're halfway there. So really, we have to move forward 2 times. So you push code. You can see the code that you've written right here. And again, that was nice and easy. Now we go a little bit left. This time you'll move forward again. Eventually we'll be turning left. Eventually we'll be nesting things together. Eventually we'll be repeating different commands. Eventually it could get a little bit harder too. If you need to jump out to a different unit, you can come in here and try any one of these as well. Okay. Anyways, that's a very quick rundown. I hope that helps. Happy coding.